Jamaica's female long jump record holder Elva Goulbourne and Jamaica College's 1999 4x800 meter relay winning team will be inducted into the 2026 Penn Relays Wall of Fame. Competing for Dintil Technical, Goulbourne broke Cara Lewis's high school record with 6.40 meters in the girls' long jump event in 1991. She also set a collegiate record of 6.65 meters while competing for Auburn University, for whom she won back-to-back titles in 2002 and 2003. Meanwhile, the Jamaica College team of Jeffrey Wallace, Dwayne Medley, Kenrick Ferret and Machelle Jackson ran the second fastest 4x800 meters race in the Carnival's history, clocking 7 minutes 37.71 seconds. The Penn Relays Wall of Fame was established in 1994 to mark the 100th running of the Carnival. Induction is based solely on performances at the Carnival, with achievements from other competitions not considered. Let's take another break then on Primetime Sports Monday, but stay with us. We'll be back with more in the next segment.